Introduction to scale representations. In the previous segments in the videos we were watching, assuming that there was one drawing scale and one annotative scale. And in this example, that's what we have. Here I have in my model space, I have these dimensions, they're annotative, and they have one scale set to them, and that's 1:1. And you can see I'm set to 1:1 in my annotative scale. And when I come over here and pick on my annotative scale, you see they're 1:1. We know that we want them matched up, but right now we only have one scale assigned to these dimensions. If I were to change this this viewport scale, and I'm going to change it to a different scale like 1:2, you're going to find out that boom, now my annotation disappears. And that's because there is no assigned annotation scale to those other scales. We have to set up multiple scales on every annotative object if we want them to be used in different scales. And right now I only have one annotative scale set up on this, and it's 1:1, but I'm representing it as 1:2, so it doesn't show up. But when I switch it back to 1:1, then they will come back. So all we need to do is to put on any scale attached to any annotative object. We can have as many scales as we like, and then when we switch to that particular viewport scale, it will use that particular annotation scale. So you have to be careful that you need to add whatever possible scales you want into your annotative objects, and we'll learn how to do that.